Hi guys, Andy here from Car Key Solutions. Today I'm going to show you how to change a battery on a BMW sleek slant shaped key. This would be found on models like 3 Series, 5 Series, 7 Series, starting from 2011 up until 2017, also known as the F Series. So for this particular key, you will need a small flathead screwdriver, but in order to start, you'll need to release the emergency blade from its place, and you will see here on the inside, once the blade is removed, you'll see this groove here. This one, with the help of a flathead screwdriver or even the key itself, you just push it clockwise and that will release the back end of the case. You might need to use a small screwdriver just to help it out because it's clipped together. So I will show you in a second. If you go with the screwdriver, it just releases the clips. You see you have 3 clips on this side and 2 on this side. Okay, you'll see the battery is on the back here, and again with a small flathead screwdriver, just release the battery from its position. Once you removed it, have a look at the battery. It's a CR2032 in our case. Once the battery is replaced, you have to slide it back into position, so push it towards the front of the key, and then it clips in place. You have these 2 clips on the top here. Once the battery is in place, position the back cover with the plastic guides. Start from the front of the key and make your way towards the back. Make sure every clip is in position. Okay. I would say probably place it on the left side of the key, as it's easier to clip afterwards. Once you've done that and it's all clipped, put the emergency key back on, and that would be your BMW key ready to go. Thank you very much for watching our video. Please subscribe to our channel, and if you do have any questions, leave us a comment below. Have a good day.